All right, I'm on the Butler chain of lakes today with Dustin and Bryson. They're from Nebraska. We fished yesterday. I think we caught 34. Our biggest was only about 5 pounds. Didn't film yesterday, but we are back out here today. Not really doing anything special. We're trolling wild shiners behind the boat on a free line over some top secret offshore grass humps and points. Trying to get a big fish. It's kind of cold this morning, but it's warming up real quick. And just as a reminder, I'll put a link to my previous video, 1 or 2 videos ago, about the giveaway that I'm doing on March 31st. The 13 fishing Concept Z reel and Muse black rod. Check out that video. You'll see that you need to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, like and comment on any of the videos. This one, the last one, and see what we can catch today. Stay tuned. You hit? I would say so. There we go. They going? Yeah. Just a not a bad fish. Not bad. Oh yeah. We had no bites in our first little area. We caught them yesterday. Just a little chunky fish. Look at that. Yeah. That one get yours?
I know, I messed up the double. Darn.
One down, 33 to go to tie yesterday.
Mine was, he's blowing it up on the top.
I knew it was about, you got another bite? Not a lot of grass.
What?
There's not a lot of grass there. That's a fish. Don't screw it up.
Nice.
Is that a good one? Go around the boat if you have to. Oh, it's not a bad fish. Why did you decide to catch fish when the cameras are staring right into the sun? We had such a good camera angle coming out here to the spot.
I'd be very happy with these little moments.
Right.
Still hooked.
2. We have a father-son tournament going on today that I just learned about. Yesterday you guys pretty much tied, right? Was it 17-17?
It was 18-16.
Oh, 18-16 yesterday. So they're doing day 2. Father-son tournament. Loser has to buy Brazilian steakhouse. Who's winning so far? He's winning so far. About 2.5. I said, oh, is that on you?
That's me.
Where are we at? There's one. Oh, we got a double. Oh, we had a double. Jeez. See that?
Yeah.
Not a bad fish. Nice fish.
Nice.
Probably 3.5. Where's yours?
Oh, he's getting smart now. Gone.
2 to 1.
Cut the lead in half. Alright, hold on. Picture? I was gonna do a
Ouch. Number 5 coming to the boat.
tangled up here.
You guys are tangled?
Yes.
Oh.
Under the boat.
This is number 5.
You guys wanted to get splashed, so you're hooking on the right lip today. Yeah.
There you go.
It's not bad.
Just a 2-pounder, 2.5. It's 3-2. Should get a penalty for doing the whole live well blocking though.
Uh-huh.
But this isn't Major League Fishing, so.
Are you sure? Yes.
It's Bush League fishing. The black, the really dark colored one that's up on the surface. Those are actually not the best ones. Are the light colored ones down on the bottom. Came back and got it? There, now you got it. Third time's a charm. This is our third shot at a double.
Little one.
Hold on. Oh, we got a double. Keeping it tied up. Here. It was 3-3. We're just going through these schools. That's a little one. We're just going through these schools of fish out here randomly. They're not really on anything so far. 4-4 in the father against son tournament for a steak dinner. Yeah, don't mind.
Me a little bit.
Is it embarrassing, sort of? A little bit? Should be.
Very small fish.
Number 7. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. You got one too? Are we about to have 3 doubles in a row? Oh my gosh. This is insane.
Oh, these are bigger.
On a spot I haven't fished in like 3 weeks.
This one's splashing a lot. Oh yeah, that's a good fish.
Not a bad one. Better than the last few we caught anyway.
Yeah. He's kind of hiding his fish.
Where's yours?
Ow. He's being a jerk. I'll leave mine in the water, it's fine.
Number 11 and 12.
Him, though.
Oh, right, that's it, because he had the shiner by the tail. Not a bad one.
Not at all.
Let's, oh, sorry. It'll be on video. Here, let me see it. Got a tough spot. That's 3 doubles in a row.
Yeah.
We've had a chance now at 5 doubles. They're definitely running in schools though, apparently. That one's got a big sore on him. He's got the clap.
Yeah.
Everywhere we go, we're getting bit.
Bottom lip special. Alright. Throw him in the boat, right? Swing him.
Oh, he's peeing.
Yeah, my fish, the last 5-pound fish I had peed. Yeah. I think you can see it in the picture.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we took the picture midstream.
Little guy.
I'll use this as a shiner.
Is it 7s?
Yeah. I think 7 is where it was tied up yesterday, too. Yeah, it was. That's 14 fish already?
Yeah.
Good God, Chuck.
I'm
you
good.
should do this for a living.
I know.
So I've been told. Is that what you said?
No, I know. The father-son race is in a tight heat right now. 7-7. We're not catching a lot of big fish, but this is for a very important steak dinner. Uh-oh. Oh. But it's only 9:45 in the morning. We already got 14 fish in the boat. They're not stacked up on grass humps and stuff like they tend to be. We're about 3 days after a pretty bad front that came through. And it's supposed to warm up today, and the fish just seem to be scattered out. We've had an opportunity to have like 5 doubles, but we have 3 doubles so far. So they're running in little small groups, and we're just running across them. I'm not randomly drifting around. I'm hitting little key areas out here, and we're just running into schools of them. What? That's a nice fish. Is he strip and drag out?
Oh.
How's that, a deep water too? There's a nice one. Ooh, it's bigger than I thought he was. Open your mouth. Oh, look at that.
Look at that one. Woohoo!
That's a nice fish.
What's that, 6?
Oh, he's over 6. Hell yeah. Look at that fish. And a 3-fish lead. A commanding 3-fish lead. All right, we gotta see how big he is. He's heavy.
Big fish. I saw him jump. I'm like, sheesh. I saw the mouth come out of the water.
I didn't think he was that big, actually. They usually end up being smaller, but I didn't think he was that big. But he was. And I was sitting there thinking, why is this guy pulling so hard?
Yeah, he was strip and drag, and I was like, oh, maybe that's something.
7.4.
Oh, I said 7.5 with your last one. I said that your last fish was 7.5. Oh my goodness. Well, that's a picture. A couple.
7.4.
Just a few pictures.
You want to stick them in the live well? We'll do pictures later?
Yeah, that's
okay.
Fine. We can do pictures right now, too.
That's a nice one. Let's catch some more while they're biting.
Yeah.
Stick them in the live well. We're about to wrap it up today. What did we catch today? 29?
Yeah.
Caught a few more yesterday, but we did get this big one today, 7.25. I think it's still pre-spawn. We've had it in the live well. We're gonna release it right back here where we caught it. It's our biggest fish of the day. Had a pretty slow afternoon, but that's what we came out here for. Big fish, and looks like Dad won the steak dinner. He let him win yesterday, but Dad was the victor today.
Got him.
Bryson let Dad win today is the way I should say it. Yeah. But we had a good time, caught over 60 fish in 2 days. Remember to subscribe to my channel, share it, and go back and look at the video. You'll see a link to it at the end of this one about the giveaway I'm doing on March 31st, the 13 fishing giveaway. But thanks for watching.